Good evening guys. Now is running to the Asa barbecue. Real, alangan kay ulan ng good see guys. Kusog kaayong ulan. So na-stranded mi diri mga musundo na dito sa atbang. Medyo kita. But mag-uli ra meron pag mo hunong na ning ulan. You know, dali ra masakit inyong vlogger. Pero dagway pagihapon, hagard-hagard. Ganun, laban namin. So, if ang saman gali ayo diraging mabasa ka. If you're gonna ask that why I'm here, okay, I'm here because I was alone at the boarding house. Regina and Ate came here. They are kusog kayong ulan, as you can see. Stranded na mi diri. Maybe diri na nga tulog, charot lang mga lepod. Balik tayo sa question kay na that's why I'm here, because I'm alone at the boarding house. My ate work regime here. This is my ate business, so I was alone. That's why I came here. I get bored there. No one's gonna talk on my baby if I call here. And then I'm gonna be doing a TikTok, but sometimes I'm gonna go here. So this is it. Okay, that's all. We have a good time.